Hello, I'm Sharon Gilbert and I'm the new chair of the Centre for Digital Public Services in Wales. On the 20th of September we held our first full board meeting since we were all appointed back in July, and it was really great to see how enthusiastic everyone is to make a difference to Wales and our digital public services together as both an exec and a non-exec team. As a new board, it was really high on our agenda to discuss ways of working to make us a high-performing exec and non-exec team as we work together over the next 3 years or so. We went through our board commitments, which are outlined in our terms of reference, and started to set out requirements for the type of management information that we want to see. That'll help us track our progress against existing objectives, but it'll also be really invaluable data for future planning too. The board are also keen to put in place some plans to meet the wider CDPS team, so to put faces to names, especially as the teams are growing, and to get a better feel for the work that's already underway. CDPS has also just drafted its first audited annual report, and it's been a good time therefore for us to reflect on governance and how to evolve our governance framework as CDPS matures. We've established our new Audit and Risk Committee, and Neil Pryor, who served on the CDPS board since it was set up, is the chair. Neil gave us an update on the steps we're taking to create that mature governance framework as we work together going forward. We reviewed the draft of the annual report, and that's due for submission to Companies House by the end of September. Our next board meeting is planned to take place over 2 days in November, and the reason we want to take those 2 days is it's going to give us time to go through it in detail as a new board and exec team working together. The current work stack, the management information, governance updates, but equally importantly, it's going to give us some good time together to review our strategic priorities for CDPS in the coming years and to maximise the impact that we can have on digital public services in Wales. Thank you very much, and don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other members of the board or the exec team if you're interested in hearing more about the work we're doing at CDPS. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.